Hello students, in this video we will discuss about Roman numerals. So what is Roman numerals? The Roman numeral system is the most ancient and a popular form of writing number, and it was developed by the Romans thousands years ago. And in this system we are using 7 letters for denote the numbers. The letters are I. I is denoted by 1, and 1 is denoted by I, and 5 is denoted by V, 10 is denoted by X, 50 is denoted by L, 100 is denoted by C, 500 is denoted by D, and 1000 is denoted by M. These 7 letters we are using by denote the numbers. If you want to write 2, how to write 2? You have to write 2I. Suppose you want to write 4, so how to write 4? You have to write IV. Suppose you want to write 5, you have to write V. Suppose you want to write 7, then you have to use VII, because V is represent here 5 and I is represent here each one. That means there is 2 i's given, that means this will be 2. So the number will be 5 plus 2, it will be 7. Suppose you want to write 9 here, so how to denote it? IX, because whenever we write here the smaller number before the bigger number, that time you have to subtract the before number from the next one. That means I is represent here 1 and X is represent here 10. So 10 minus 1, it will be 9 happen. Clear? Here is also I is represent here 1 and V is represent here 5. So this will be 5 minus 1, so that is 4 happen. Suppose you want to write here 40. So how to denote it? That is nothing but XL, because L is denoted here 50 and X is denoted here 10. So 50 minus 10, it will be 40 happen. Clear? So in this way we are denoting the numbers. Let's see one now go to our exercise. So in our exercise, first question is given here. Go to directly question number 2. Choose the correct option. Here is the number given 79. So you have to convert this one as in Roman number system. So 79 is given here. So how to write here 70? We know that you can write this one as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9 or B. So question number B is given here XCVI. So in XC we had XC means 90 and V means 5 and this 1 means 1. So this will be 96 happen. Now go to question number 4. So question number 4 is given here. Some numbers are given, you have to convert this one as a Roman number. So how to write 9? 9 is written like this way, IX, because if smaller number is written before the bigger number, you have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So I is denoted by here 1 and X is denoted by here 10. So 10 minus 1, it will be 9 happen. So go to question number D. question number D is given here 25. So how to write 25? This will be 20, this will be 10 plus 10 plus 5. So 10 is denoted by x and this 10 is denoted by x and 5 is denoted by v. Question number E. Question number E is given here 40. So how to write 40? 50 minus 10. So 10 is denoted by x and 50 is denoted by L. So this will be x L happen. Now go to question number H. So here is given here 82. So how to write 82? You can write 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. 50 is denoted by L, 10 is denoted by x, then another 10 is given, that means 1x, another 10 x, and 2 is denoted by 2y. Now go to next problem, question number J. So question number J is given here 149. So how to write this one? That can be written as 100 plus 49. So 100 can be denoted by C and 49 can be denoted by x. L is denoted by 40 and 9 is denoted by I x. So this way you have to write. Now go to next one, question number M. So question number M is given in 233. So you can write this one as 200 plus 30 plus 3. So 200 is denoted by 2c and 30 is denoted by 3x and 3 is denoted by 3i. Now go to next one, question number N. So question number N is given here 489. So you can write this one as 400 is given, so you can write this one 400 plus 80 is given here, so 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9. Now look how to denote this for 400. You can write like this way, 500 is denoted by D and 100 is denoted by C. So you have to write this C before this D. That time you can subtract C from D. So D means 500 and C means 100. That means 500 minus 100. This will be 400 again. And 50 is denoted by L. And 10 is given, so 3x will be happen here, and here is 9, so I x happen. Now go to next question, question number P. So question number P is given here 695. So you can write this one as 500 plus 100 plus 90 plus 5. So 500 is denoted by D, 100 is denoted by C, 90 is denoted by 90 means 100 minus x. So you can write x and C, and 5 is given, 5 is denoted by only phi. So in this way you can do left of the problem in question number 4. Thank you everyone.